With temperatures and electricity costs on the rise, experts offer simple tips for households to cut power use this summer. Full details in this report by Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw.
From hotter days to higher energy prices this month, an expert shares simple ways to cut down power use at home. Summer is almost here, and with temperatures rising, Filipinos are feeling the pressure as utility bills continue to climb.
Mahati yung budget, mas lalaki pa. Concerned kami kasi tatlo anak ko, ilang electric pa yung gumagana. Sa halip na okay na yung baon nila sa araw-araw, yung pagkain namin, madadagdagan pa ng bagong pag-a-adjust sa mga gastusin, lalo yung LPG, kuryente.
The same concern is shared by Rachel, whose family relies on air conditioning.
Sa amin yung aircon talaga kasi sobrang lakas talaga niya sa konsumo ng kuryente. Kung kayang tiisin din. Pero kung hindi naman, syempre, para rin sa mga bata kasi kawawa rin mga bata lalo na kapag mainit.
But even with these challenges, an electrical engineer highlights how saving power doesn't have to be complicated, as maximizing natural light during the day can help reduce electricity use.
Yung mga pagtitipid ay pwede natin gawin in the most practical way. Katulad nga nitong nasa background ko. I'm using the sunlight as reference. Napaka-basic niyan pero pinaka-helpful way.
For cooling, using electric fans alongside air conditioners helps spread cool air, allowing for lower setting and shorter time usage.
So yung sa gabi, mag-shower kahit 10 to 15 minutes kapag cool down na yung body natin. Yung settings nung aircon and syempre nung electric fan natin, hindi natin ganong kailangan taasan kasi medyo cool down na tayo eh. Yung room mo.
And for households that regularly do laundry, he recommends use natural heat to dry clothes and avoid overloading the washing machine.
Sa mga nanay, yan, na mga mahiling mag-washing sa umaga, 'di ba? Mostly ng washing ngayon may mga dryer na. Instead na gamitin pa natin yung mga dryer machines natin, pwede natin gamitin yung natural heat, no? Isampay na lang natin in an hour or two, sure naman na matutuyo 'yan.
In the end, he emphasized one simple but effective habit: unplug. These tips are also encouraged by Meralco, reminding the public to adapt energy-efficient habits like using natural light and proper room ventilation, unplugging unused devices at night, and keeping appliances like fans and aircons well maintained to help reduce power use at home. With the hot season approaching, experts say smart and efficient habits go a long way in keeping bills down. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.